Once upon a time, in a quiet and forgotten corner of a distant village, there lived a young person whose life was surrounded not by comfort, but by constant struggle. Every sunrise brought the same harsh reality: a tiny house with cracked walls, a kitchen where the smell of food was rare, and a world that believed poverty was a permanent identity. Yet, hidden deep within this person's heart was a fragile spark of hope, a dream that refused to die even when the world tried to crush it. The villagers often mocked, their laughter echoing like a cruel reminder. "Someone like you will never achieve anything." These words created a storm inside, a painful conflict filled with fear, doubt, and helplessness. Each day was a test of survival, working endless small jobs just to earn enough for a single meal, wondering if life had permanently closed its doors. And yet, every night, while lying on a thin mat under the dim lantern light, this person would stare at the stars and imagine a life beyond the boundaries of the village, a life where dreams weren't controlled by poverty. Then, one fateful morning, destiny knocked softly. A small skill training camp came to the village, offering free learning for anyone brave enough to try. As the news spread, the same mocking voices returned. "This isn't for someone like you. Don't even dare." For a moment, doubt almost won. It felt safer to believe others than to believe in oneself. But that night, in the silence where even shadows felt heavy, a new thought whispered inside. If an opportunity has come this close, maybe it's not a coincidence. Maybe this is the moment my life can change. That single realization became a powerful turning point. The next morning, with trembling hands and a racing heartbeat, the person walked toward the training camp, ignoring the staring eyes. The first few days were tough. Others understood everything quickly, while this person struggled, failed, repeated mistakes, and often felt embarrassed. But instead of quitting, there was a decision to stay late every evening, practicing long after everyone left, turning weaknesses into strength through sheer determination. Slowly, the trainers noticed the exceptional effort. Days became weeks, and the person who once lacked confidence became the most hard-working learner, waking before sunrise, walking miles, skipping meals if necessary, all to protect this precious opportunity. By the end of the training, the story had changed completely. The trainers praised the dedication. The villagers who once laughed now watched in quiet amazement, and a job offer from the city arrived. A job that promised dignity, stability, and a future that once felt impossible. Leaving the village brought tears, not because of sadness, but because it was the place that shaped courage through struggle. In the noisy city, life moved faster, challenges were bigger, and responsibilities heavier. But the memory of that one bold decision, the moment fear was replaced by courage, pushed this person forward every single day. Years passed, and the same individual who once had nothing became financially stable, helped their family, repaired the old house, supported the village school, and inspired countless villagers who once believed dreams were only for the lucky. The people who once mocked now proudly spoke about the person they underestimated. But deep down, only one truth mattered. Everything changed because one opportunity was recognized and embraced. Because one moment of courage rewrote an entire life. And the powerful message that echoes through this journey is simple, yet life-changing. Opportunities don't wait. They appear quietly, and only those who dare to grab them create their own destiny.